Ever wondered if you could be part of the world's biggest companies, owning a tiny slice of their success, all from the comfort of your couch? What if I told you that you don't need a yacht or a fancy suit to start investing? Forget the intimidating jargon and the flashing screens you see in movies. Today, we're diving into the incredibly accessible world of stock market investing, specifically using Wealthsimple, a platform that's making investing genuinely simple for everyone. Think about it. Every time you grab a coffee at Starbucks, scroll through Instagram, or even open a package from Amazon, you're interacting with massive, publicly traded companies. And guess what? You can actually own a piece of them. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small share of a company. As that company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your share can increase. It's like being a tiny co-owner, benefiting from their success. For centuries, investing in the stock market felt like an exclusive club, reserved for the wealthy or those with insider connections. You needed a broker, often paid hefty commissions, and the whole process was shrouded in mystery. But thankfully, those days are largely behind us. The internet, and platforms like Wealthsimple, have democratized investing, opening it up to millions of people who previously thought it was out of reach. Wealthsimple, in particular, has gained immense popularity for its user-friendly interface and commitment to making investing understandable. They've stripped away the complexity, offering a clean, intuitive platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks with just a few taps on your phone. Whether you're a complete beginner with just a few dollars to spare or someone looking to manage their own portfolio more actively, Wealthsimple offers a compelling solution. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to navigate Wealthsimple to buy and sell stocks. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to understanding the different types of investments available, placing your first trade, and even strategies for building a solid portfolio. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and ready to take your first steps into the exciting world of stock market investing. So, let's get started. Setting up your Wealthsimple account, your gateway to investing. The very first step on your Wealthsimple journey is creating an account. It's surprisingly straightforward and can be done in a matter of minutes. First, you'll need to download the Wealthsimple app from your app store or visit their website. Once you open it, you'll be prompted to sign up. You'll typically need an email address, create a strong password, and then verify your identity. This identity verification is a crucial step for any regulated financial institution and is designed to protect both you and the platform from fraud. You'll usually be asked to provide some personal information like your full name, address, date of birth, and your social insurance number, or equivalent in your country, for tax purposes. You might also need to upload a photo of a government-issued ID. Don't worry, this is standard procedure and Wealthsimple takes security very seriously. Once your identity is verified, you'll need to link a bank account. This is how you'll deposit funds into your Wealthsimple investing account and, eventually, withdraw any profits. You'll typically be asked to log into your online banking through a secure portal provided by Wealthsimple or manually enter your bank account details. During the setup process, Wealthsimple will also ask you about your investment goals and risk tolerance. This is an important step because it helps them recommend suitable investment options. Are you saving for retirement? A down payment on a house? Or just looking to grow your wealth over time? Your risk tolerance refers to how comfortable you are with the possibility of your investments fluctuating in value. Someone with a high risk tolerance might be comfortable with more volatile investments that have the potential for higher returns, while someone with a low risk tolerance might prefer more stable, but potentially lower returning, investments. Be honest with your answers, as this helps Wealthsimple tailor its recommendations to your individual circumstances. Finally, you'll choose the type of account you want. Wealthsimple offers various account types, including personal, non-registered account. This is a standard investment account where your gains are taxable. It offers the most flexibility. TFSA, tax-free savings account, Canada only. This is a fantastic option for Canadian residents. Any investment growth within a TFSA is completely tax-free, even when you withdraw it. There are annual contribution limits, so be aware of those. RRSP, Registered Retirement Savings Plan, Canada only, another Canadian gem. An RRSP allows you to defer paying taxes on your contributions and investment growth until you withdraw the funds in retirement. This can be a powerful tax-saving tool. Managed versus self-directed, Wealthsimple offers both Wealthsimple Invest, managed portfolios, and Wealthsimple Trade, self-directed. For this video, we're focusing on Wealthsimple Trade, which allows you to pick and choose individual stocks and ETFs yourself. If you're completely new to investing and prefer a hands-off approach, their Invest option might be worth exploring, where their experts manage your portfolio based on your risk tolerance. For our purposes today, we'll assume you've chosen a Wealthsimple Trade account. Once your account is set up and linked, you're ready to fund it. Funding your Wealthsimple account, getting your money in. Depositing money into your Wealthsimple Trade account is simple. From the main screen, you'll typically see an option to add funds or deposit. Select the bank account you linked earlier, enter the amount you wish to deposit, and confirm. Wealthsimple usually offers instant deposits for smaller amounts, allowing you to start trading almost immediately. For larger sums, it might take a few business days for the funds to fully settle in your account. Remember, never invest money you can't afford to lose. While the stock market offers incredible growth potential, there are always risks involved. Start with an amount you're comfortable with, even if it's just a few dollars. The most important thing is to start building the habit of investing. Understanding what to buy, stocks versus ETFs. Before we dive into actually placing a trade, let's briefly touch on what you can buy on Wealthsimple Trade. You primarily have two main options: individual stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.